Good morning, dear students. So, in the last class, we are discussed about the meaning and the various elements which are used in the communication process. So, these are those things you already know. The communication is very important aspect into the directing process. At the time of you are going to conduct in any activity, the communication play a vital role. So that's why the communication is an exchange of facts, figures, feelings and thoughts from one to another to a common understanding in between the people. So communication is very important. At the time of you are going to send a message to the receiver can conveniently can receive that message. After that, he can going to understand that. Finally, he can going to get a feedback to the sender. Okay, so this is the communication will happen in between the two persons like a sender and the receiver. So that's why in the organization the manager can play a vital role to control their subordinates. Okay, so you already know each and every organization having the group activity. The time of you are going to working within the group, so communication is very important to everyone. Okay, in effectiveness of a manager also depends significantly on his ability to communicate effectively with his superiors or subordinates or the external or agencies like such as bankers, then suppliers, then union, then the government. Okay, so these are all the participants are very much required to each and every organizations. That's why the every management or the manager, they have to going to communicate with these all those persons. So that's why the manager or the any persons having they have good communication abilities. Okay, so now today in this class we are going to discuss about the various importance of communication. Importance of communication. Okay, so what I told, so communication play a vital role to convey the people. Okay, so that's why, so what are all the various importance of communication? ಅಂದರೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಒಂದು ಸಂವಹನದ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆ. Okay, so that's why communication is very much effective to manager to depends upon significantly on his ability to communicate effectively to all the persons like his superiors, subordinates or externals or the governments or the bankers or the suppliers, etc. So that's why having the good communication skills. Now discuss about what are the various different importance of communication. Like, so number one, acts as basis of coordination. Communication acts as basis of coordination. Okay, acts as basis of coordination. At the time of you are going to maintain the good coordination among the people, the communication play a very much important role. Okay, it's provide the coordination among departments, then activities and the persons in organization, such as coordination is provided by explaining about organizational goal. Okay, so we are going to maintain the good coordination between various different departments. Okay, peoples who are going to work. Okay, good coordination also helpful to easily achievement of organizational goals. Okay, you already know the organization is a group activity. We are going to integrate with the group effort. Okay, that's why we are going to having the maintain good communication between the various different department, and also we need the effective communication to explain the organizational goals and needs and wants. Okay, so that's why communication play a vital role, acts as a basis of good maintain the good coordination between the people. Okay, so this is the one of the another one important. So next one is helps in smooth working of an enterprise. Next importance is helps in smooth working and enterprise. Okay, so communication helps in smooth working in enterprise. Okay, so why it is helpful to smooth working? So at a time of you are going to maintain the any activities or any disciplinary activities into the organizations, communication is very much important. Okay, and all organization integrates a depend upon communication. All the efforts we are going to integrate, it is depend upon the communication. So the job of a manager is to coordinate the human and physical element of an organization into an efficient and active working into objectives of common objectives. Okay, we are going to integrate with the human and the materials. Okay, so we are going to use this material effectively with the effort of humans. ಓಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಇರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ನ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಹೇಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಯಾರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್. Okay, that's why it is only the communication which makes smooth working into the enterprise is possible. Okay, ಅಂದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಂವಹನದಿಂದ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ communication is helpful to smooth working into an enterprise. Clear? So this is also one of the important of communications. So next one is communication is acts as basis of decision making. Next one is communication acts as basis of decision making. Okay, so who are take the decisions like a top level delegates. So these top level delegates, they are going to discuss each other. All the peoples you are going to join together and you are going to discuss. Okay, after the discussion only they have to take any decisions. That's why at the time of you are going to take decisions, communication is very important. Okay, so communication provides need information for decision making. Okay, so on the absence it may not be possible for the managers to take their meaningful decisions. Okay, so at the time of you are going to take any decisions, you are going to proper discussion will be happen. Okay, so one person going to discuss with what are the various cause and effects. Okay, ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಏನೇ ಒಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನವನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅನುಕೂಲ ಮತ್ತು ಅನಾನುಕೂಲತೆಗಳೇನು, ನ್ಯೂನತೆಗಳೇನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೊ ಯಾವುದು ನಮಗೆ ಸೂಟಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್, ಒಂದು ಸಂವಹನದಿಂದನೇ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಸೊ ಅಟ್ ಅ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ಸ್, ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ಸ್. It play a vital role at a time of taking any decisions into the organization. Yeah. So this is also another one importance. Okay, so next one is communication increases the managerial efficiency. Communication increases managerial efficiency. Okay, so communication increases the managerial efficiency means so communication is essential for quick and effective